cake?
I will. No, I'm gonna do decoration after we do the other cake.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Because you wanted to
This
know how to
one
make
you
the other
buy
one.
watermelon?
Yeah, you can buy these at Walmart. It's called a bunt cake.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So you can use any, but if you want to
So,
do
right
if you
now
want to do
you-
Barbies, you do this one
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
because it has holes.
Mhm.
But the Barbies are too tall, so you have to put a hole in the board and then put it on a box so their legs can come out.
Okay. So you put it down?
I did on this one instead of
Oh,
oil.
you
I used
finish.
butter.
You finish.
Yeah, this one. The frosting will use some of that
Mm-hmm.
to make that. So let's do the other cake first. Okay.
Okay.
I have to find the recipe. Alright, let's see. This one.
What is that?
You can do it by hand to stir it. I use this.
Oh, you buy online?
You can, well, this one my mom gave me for Christmas.
Oh,
But you can buy it at Walmart, you can buy it online. It's called
okay.
a mixer.
Yeah, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
You say Africa cooking mandas,
Mm-hmm.
you use that one, it's good. It's
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah, see I have, this is more for like mandazi.
It's mandazi?
It's for bread. To make bread you use this kind.
Oh, and then you put the for different oven.
Okay, let's see. So you got a bowl, 3 eggs. Okay.
What is that one? Peaches?
This is the zucchini.
Zucchini?
Zucchini. It's yellow zucchini.
Oh, zucchini?
Uh-huh.
Is it,
We grew it in our garden.
Sugar?
No sugar. This is that other cake that Barry made that you liked.
Oh, yeah. It is chocolate.
It wasn't chocolate.
Yeah.
It was zucchini, I think. Was it? I don't think it was chocolate though. It looks chocolate.
Yeah,
Because
you.
it's darker.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we need brown sugar, white sugar, oil, flour.
That is the flour.
Uh-huh.
Flour, Bulgari. What is it? Bulgari?
Flour, white
Oh,
flour.
for cooking cake.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sugar. I need more oil.
The vanilla.
Yep, vanilla.
So this vanilla, I see is different down.
Different, yes, in a way. This one is actually tastes like butter. I use that when I make my syrup for my pancakes.
Oh, this one is cake.
This one's for the cake. This is Mexican vanilla.
Oh,
It doesn't cost as much, so
Oh,
that's
okay.
why we buy it.
What's that?
Okay, I will be right back. I need to get some more vanilla and oil from downstairs.
Okay. Hi guys. Today I make cake for everyone. Happy birthday, wedding. Call me. I coming. Make cake. This is essence special. Turabakiriye ikaze kwa Berry Dasan. For teach everybody cooking cake. So you put it too much oil.
It's just tiny,
Oh,
not enough.
there it is.
I thought it was downstairs. It's up here. Okay, so
So you have a pen and paper. Then me too. Right.
you want to write it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want pen or pencil?
Yeah, pencil is okay. No pen, pen.
Pen? Okay.
Yeah.
Can we get some paper from downstairs? Or do we have some up here?
How many pieces would you like? 4?
Yeah, that would be fine. It works.
Where is this? You buy a Mexico store?
Nope.
Walmart.
Walmart, or Macy's, or whatever.
Thank you.
You're gonna get a job as a cook in
Yeah.
Texas? Your new
You
job?
say I go in Texas.
Be a chef.
Everybody birthday I go cooking cake.
Alright.
I need money.
You do need money. Lots of money.
So 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Yeah.
And sugar.
Do you want weight or do you want in cups?
Cups.
Or cups? We have different cups. This is for liquid. This is for sugar and flour.
Okay. So you put little sugar, not too much sugar.
It looks like a lot, but it doesn't taste real lot.
Yeah?
You had it, you liked it.
Yeah, you're right.
We are making a cake.
Is the sugar done?
Brown sugar.
You put the white sugar and the brown sugar? Both? Why?
It has a different flavor.
Oh,
You want to taste?
yeah. Oh my gosh. Give me more.
You want more? You like sugar?
Down Africa sugar.
This is like African sugar?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't like this sugar.
Not
I
that
like
one?
That one.
Okay,
That one and the honey.
1 cup.
Uncle.
1 cup. You kind of smash it in there a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
like that. Okay.
Okay.
Put it in with the eggs.
Brown sugar.
Mhm. White sugar. And it's 1.5 cups. Cinnamon.
You put it down?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Do you have that in Africa?
Maybe.
Maybe. Looks like a stick. And you grind it up.
How many you put it to?
1.5.
1 minute. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's too much sugar. The people sick of sugar, diabetes, no eat.
It's good. It's okay. This is only for dessert.
Mm-hmm.
This cake, I don't usually put frosting on it because I think it's good without it. So. Okay, got the eggs, sugar, okay, oil. Oil, 1 cup. Forgot to put mine on.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's not good.
Because you
Oh, it is.
yes.
But listen to release it to me.
Get the mukubit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. I don't want that. Adi, but I don't know what we need to free father.
What?
We don't know what free fish
Get the yeah, or listen.
Father.
Yeah.
I gotta help your mama do this.
No, our love.
Get
Love.
the get ice trap.
Are you tired?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because yesterday
Uh-huh.
I finished work.
Yeah.
I go home. I wait to Vanessa and the essence. She's coming 11. So I don't sleep.
Okay.
Okay, I finished it this night, last night,
Mm-hmm.
3:30. So, but essence not sleeping. No,
So you can do it by hand with a
No,
a
that one is
spoon or like
good.
this. This
It's
is what I like.
good.
Yes. Most of them don't have a light, but mine does.
oh,
My mom bought it for me. My mom likes to cook. My grandma used to
grandma.
do that all the time.
Your grandma and mom.
Both.
You have a grandma?
Well, she's dead now. She died.
Now?
Yeah, she died 6 years ago.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. She was 94 years old.
Oh, it's
So she old. She's
Yeah.
good. She's good. Let's see. Okay. Now, over here.
Flour.
3 cups. Mhm. Three-quarter. It's a half and a quarter.
Yeah.
And that is for baking powder.
Yeah, I have it done for cooking mandazi.
So I made a mess. That's a half. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Sorry.
Vanilla.
No, we messed up.
You put too much.
That's this one. 1 teaspoon salt. Nope.
Finish.
It'll be a while.
Put that
Have
egg
fun. Tablespoon,
Oh, it's big.
a big one of cinnamon.
So, you the chocolate
Smell.
I taste that.
is it good?
Can it,
It's
can
good.
it smell?
Where you buy?
Can it smell?
You want to smell? Here, I got some on my hands. Smell.
It tastes good.
You buy Orma?
It comes in smaller ones than that. So you can get a small bottle instead of
Oh,
a big
not
one.
big one.
Yeah, you don't have to have a big one.
Where you buy?
You can buy cinnamon anywhere.
Oh, this store.
Any grocery store will sell cinnamon.
Okay.
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 And a teaspoon baking soda.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this one.
Is it flour?
More, yeah, it's the other the last cup of flour. I do it that way so it mixes up nice. All right, so
This one, the name, Brevi, that?
yeah, it's an expensive one.
Oh,
It's why my grandma, or why my mom bought it for me for Christmas. This is a sifter. Do you have sifters?
no. You
So
buy
what it-
Orma?
See, it's putting everything
You
together.
buy Orma?
You buy at Walmart or a lot of grocery stores. I think most grocery stores have them. You might even get one at the dollar store. They look, some look a little bit different. Some have a turn like this.
Mm-hmm.
If you look, see how it looks in here? And when you look here, it's nice and small.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you do it. To make
Yeah,
it
good.
nice and small. That makes my hand tired.
Yeah. I help you.
Oh, that's good. Unless you want to try. It's almost done actually. It's getting there. That's what it looks like inside.
Yeah. So down here is my country.
Mm-hmm.
If England.
Mm.
If England, you see the bread for church is
Uh-huh.
white,
Yes.
white, and the where is another one?
Wheat.
Yeah.
You use this for making that type of bread?
Mm-hmm. I like.
Yeah. We call it a sifter.
Yeah. That one is the same my country.
Let's see.
Akayunguruzo.
A kungaruzo.
Akayunguruzo.
A kungaruzo?
Yes.
Okay.
You try Kinyarwanda, later I try English.
I try. Okay. Now,
When you put it down,
in a minute.
where do you buy?
You can buy that at the grocery store, the zucchini. This is yellow zucchini. You can use yellow zucchini or green zucchini. I usually see green. It'll probably be cheaper to buy at the grocery store in Texas than here. It's expensive here. But this is from my garden. I thought I gave you some out of our garden this last year. Okay, and teaspoon vanilla.
Mm-hmm. Mm. You take.
Almost. Almost. Not that big a deal. Let's get out the garbage. You use that in cookies and pie and usually things that have fruit in it. Some Middle Eastern food, you use that with it as well.
Yeah. So, down, I think you put mandazi
You think so?
down.
Probably not.
So, it's same this cake?
No, that's different cake. That's out of the box. So it's different. Okay, so then 3 cups.
Wait, so much.
3 cups grated zucchini.
Let me see. Let me smell.
You taste. You taste.
Yeah.
You take the zucchini and
I don't know zucchini.
no.
Yeah, this time. It's the first time.
Usually we cook it differently, so.
And look at cabbage. Oh, zucchini is that one?
That's the green zucchini,
Oh,
and then there's some yellow zucchini with green zucchini.
oh, this one is the. Oh,
But don't mix it up with cucumbers. Cucumbers are different, but they look a lot like that.
yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yes, and I'll go to bro. Don't go. Why you put zucchini?
I don't know. Tastes good.
I think you're right.
Yeah. My mom made it, my grandma made it, and I liked it. And this recipe is from Barry's wife before.
Oh,
And so this one's his recipe. Mixing very well. That's what it looks like.
yeah.
Okay. Now for the pan, usually you will put flour and
The first.
oil to keep it from sticking
Mhm.
inside the pan. I have something else I use though, just because it's easier, especially with this type of a pan, it's easier. It goes to 350.
Where is that?
It has the oil and the flour together,
Oh,
but it stinks. Okay. that beeps, we'll put it in. We bake it at 350 for about an hour.
1 hour? Oh.
It can take up to an hour.
So you put, why not put oven?
It's not hot yet.
Oh, no hot.
We call it preheat. So you turn the oven on.
Put it heat.
Preheat.
Preheat.
You hit bake.
Bake is
And then 350.
350.
And you let it go so it heats up.
So I don't see the number.
It's because this is on there saying that it's getting hot.
Oh,
So once it's hot, it'll beep and say, I'm ready.
oh, okay.
And then we'll put this in and we'll turn on the timer. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So that's this cake.
Mhm.